perfect. Simply perfect. A gift, little one, just for you.
Wow. I'll share them with everyone.
Tom, this is the third time. All right, a special snack for everyone.
This is so yummy.
My tummy, it hurts. Emergency! Please, hurry! My students! Not again, Tom. Not again. You will stay here and finish.
Yes! Yeah! Got the high score!
They're all gonna be fine. I told you to do your work! No. Please, Mom, don't!
And now, the grand finals.
I did it!
I am so sorry, Tom. I was wrong.
It's okay, Mom. It's okay.